how to redeem your Roblox gift card online. Whether you've got the physical gift card or Roblox, or you've got the digital one on your email, you can easily redeem both of them online. So for that, open up your web browsers and search for roblox.com/redeem. Once you do, it's gonna take you to this screen where you need to click on this link which says login to Roblox, and it makes sure that the redeem option is written right here. And in this website you can see a section where you can type in the gift card number. So if you have the physical card, it should be on the back side of the card where you need to scratch it, or if you have the email, you can copy and paste the code right here. Once you click on redeem, the gift card amount will be added to your credit on Roblox, and you can easily use that credit to buy Robux. So that was a quick and easy video on how to redeem your Roblox gift card online. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.